Hello everyone, I'm here today to introduce high-tech new biomaterial, nanocellulose for a sustainable future. I'm Hyeong Choe, General Manager at ANPOLY. As you all know, we are faced with serious global environmental pollution by plastic waste. Many companies are turning to new materials or processing that can avoid regulation while aligning with the ESG policies. Plastic waste has a significant impact on climate change and human health. There is an increasing need for high-performance, eco-friendly materials. We develop high-quality, eco-friendly, and high-tech nanocellulose. ANPOLY is a material developing company. Nanofibrillation tech was used to develop material with innovative specification from discarded lysergic bio-waste and waste cars. ANPOLY's nanocellulose has numerous advantages such as high strength, good gas barrier, high transparency, biocompatibility. Also, it has expandability that can apply to diverse industries such as composite materials, food packaging, beauty products, and alternative meats. We have raised a total of $15 million in funding for pilot plant so far. We are currently planning Series B of $20 million in 2025. Now R&D nanocellulose sales and the sales of prototypes are increasing, and we expect demands to increase if the right application is applied. It is time to raise funds for matching R&D collaboration partner and scale up of plant factories. ANPOLY nanocellulose has sufficient competitiveness compared to its competitor. Not only is strength sufficient excellent, but its transparency and nanofications are world-class. If it can achieve price competitiveness through scale-up, it can take a step closer to expanding into global market. As mentioned earlier, nanocellulose has infinite expandability that can replace the plastic market. The possible market size is close to 1,000 billion, and ANPOLY is currently targeting to functional food packaging, vehicle composite parts, cosmetic ingredients, and electric device markets. Currently, we are producing nanocellulose 100 tons per year and starting to build a 1,000-ton plant factory. We are working on developing industry and products that can apply nanocellulose, and we need to raise funds for scale-up. ANPOLY consists of 4 R&D teams and 8 PhD in various fields. CEO Sang Chol and the CTO Dr. Hwang have over 20 years of experience of chemical and material research and developed in nanocellulose. We are actively working with a large company. We have entered the global market. Recently, ANPOLY has selected as a 2023 Forbes Asia Top 100 Startup and won Innovative Award at CES 2024. Also, ANPOLY signed with the MOU with Hyeong Plastic with joint research and develop and MOU POSTECH International for overseas exportation. Last year, we established a corporation in USA for global business. We are looking for R&D partner to apply the new materials and the fundraising support for scale-up. New material for next generation. This is ANPOLY. Thank you.